$180 for freaking veneers, okay?
Yo, da 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 da. Yo, da 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 da. Shake your hand at me, yo. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
We are back with another Vlogmas vlog. Honestly, I don't even know what day this is because all my vlogs are just so randomly placed that I don't know. And also on top of that, I'm not a vlogger, so like, you know, I'm still doing Vlogmas. I'm really calling it like Fairycember because any post that I do in December, I like to call it Fairycember instead of calling it Vlogmas because technically I'm not really a vlogger. Like I probably got tops like 5 vlogs, maybe even 6 on my channel. Y'all already know what type of channel this is, but you know, I still want to participate. I still want to be involved, whatever. So that's what we're doing. So here's the thing. Let me turn my fan off. So today I told you guys, well, not today, but I've been telling you guys that I want to, vlog the entire process of me getting my teeth redone. I asked you guys in my Instagram story, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and all my social medias, but even though it's just Instagram and YouTube but make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because I be posting sometimes and I be asking y'all questions. So I asked you guys like probably a few weeks ago if you guys wanted me to film me getting my teeth redone because I know that was like the biggest topic and the biggest questions when I first got my teeth done. You guys are asking me like, you know, how much did it cost? What exactly did I get done? Can I explain what was happening? Because I know I went on live last year. Sadly enough, that was the last time I went on live, but I went on live last year and you guys were asking me all about my teeth, and I was basically saying that my insurance paid for my teeth. So this is about to be the most ultimate finesse video of how to get your teeth paid for that's possible because I literally went around the system basically. So it's not like I'm like, I don't know, like I just did it real smart as far as like getting my teeth done. So basically I'm about to give y'all the tea. So here's what you need to do. You need to get good insurance. Good insurance meaning like the insurance I have is Delta Dental. And I got the highest thread or threshold of Delta Dental because they pay for 80% of what I need to get done. And there's no limit as to how much stuff I can get done within a year. I know some insurances, they have like a cap of how much you're allowed to spend. Like let's say you're only allowed to spend $1,000 through that insurance. But then that limits you because then if you want to get, you know, fillings or a root canal or, you know, things that are going to cost like bread, you're effed now because you already hit your cap in within that year. I got Delta Dental, and within Delta Dental, I had got the unlimited cap as to how much stuff I can get done within a year. I got that on purpose because I originally talked to my dentist. I go to Hamilton Square Dental in New Jersey. For those that want to know, I will leave all the information down below. My dentist is Dr. Tsai. So what I did was before I got insurance, this is when I was still working at Sephora. I've been with them for like the past like 6 or 7 years now. And when I knew that I wanted to get my teeth done, I asked them every question I needed possible. You know, before I went and got my specific insurance, before I told them what I wanted to do, etc., etc. So what they told me was, in the way to make it so much cheaper for your life, if you want veneers, okay, you have to be specific about your verbiage because my teeth weren't bad. They weren't terrible. They weren't bad. You have to be pre-qualified to get a certain type of veneer done because you have to be, you know, you have to be a good client for it. My teeth was spacey. So that's why I was a good client for getting the type of veneers that I got because my teeth weren't bad. Like they weren't crooked. They weren't anything of that nature. They were just spacey. And when you have spacey teeth, you can get the type of veneers that I got because the type of veneers that I got is basically just you filling in the spaces in between your teeth to create a perfect smile. So in layman's terms, that's really called like composite veneers, but you can't go to your insurance and say that you want to get composite veneers done, because anything that comes with veneers, insurance is not going to pay for. This I don't even know if I'm allowed to like put this video out, but I'm just telling y'all how to finesse the game, okay? The verbiage is everything in life. I'm telling you. Do not say to your insurance that you want to get composite veneers done and if they cover it, because they're going to tell you no. So I called them. I said, hey, I want to get teeth bonding done or whatever, and they say, okay, no problem, you know, we do cover it, we cover 80% of it. I went back to my dentist, said, hey, I got Delta Dental. They said, okay, no problem, this is how many spacings we're gonna have to cover, this is how many teeth we're gonna have to do. 80% of my veneers was paid for, okay? 80%. I only ended up paying about $3,500 for my teeth the first time. Now, the only thing about getting teeth bonding or composite veneers is that you have to get it redone every 3 to 4 years. And I know with permanent veneers, you get it done like every 10 years or so. That's why they cost $30,000 compared to like 4 or 5 when it comes to composite veneers. So the first time was $3,500. And then, but if you take good care of your teeth, like you're not like chewing on hard things, you're not cracking your teeth or anything like that, your teeth can last so much longer. But I have a crack in my front tooth. Not only that, I wanted to get all 4 of my front teeth redone. So I called my dentist. I said, hey, I want to come back and get my teeth redone as far as like my first 4 teeth. I got teeth bonding done. You know, how much is my insurance going to cover? My insurance covers 80%. I asked him how much the total was going to be as far as like getting my teeth redone. Shorty said $180. $180 for freaking veneers. Okay. The finesse in this world is real. That's how you are able to finesse your way of getting composite veneers done through your insurance, with them paying a bulk load of the cost. I think my veneers was the first time was supposed to cost about like $10,000, $11,000, and again, I only ended up paying $3,500. Finesse. So that is what we are doing today. Today, my teeth only are going to cost me $180 for me getting them redone. You guys, again, wanted to know the tea, what's going on. So that's what we're doing today. So I will meet you guys inside because I'm a little bit late. I'm like 6 minutes late. So let's get into it. I'm here. You want to say hi to my followers? No. No, he does not. It's on my YouTube?
Yeah, we're actually close today.
Oh.
But I had someone, with emergency really needed to get in.
I get special treatment.
Mm-hmm. So I'm opening up today. Well, I'm going to put your jacket on here so that I can sit. Everything's going here.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Is teeth bonding the same as composite veneers?
No, not veneers. It's composites.
Composites.
It's composites, but they're not veneers.
What is the difference between composite veneers and...
Well, veneers is like, it covers the tooth. Okay. That's a veneer.
Okay.
But it's a composite. I mean, if it's composite, it's because instead of doing like a porcelain veneer, they just did it in composite. But
yeah.
That's, for them to say composite veneers. Alright, let me take a look at that.
Oh my goodness, let me see those nails. Oh, you're blogging. Oh, she's gonna blog.
Not only you can take a look at the open.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wait, how do I do this? Hold on. How do I see?
You have to...
I'm like, how do I
put
see?
it back.
Okay. Doc, we're gonna be famous.
No, I don't like to be famous. I'm low key.
Say hi, Dr. Tsai. They do this a lot.
I asked
Dr.
him
Tsai.
and he said no.
I don't like to be popular.
Dr. Tsai, do it. You don't know how many people are doing this now. It's free marketing.
It really is.
Yes. Do a little bit. Just show a little bit. That's it. So here we are. I guess you'll be talking, right? Narrating it.
Right?
Oh. My mouth is getting numb.
It will get numb.
And then she's talking on her.
She's talking on her blog.
So at the top,
Come.
This one's gonna sting a little bit.
Not this one.
Oh, not that one. That one's still gonna sting.
Okay guys, so for this part of the video, it's not really going to be a talk through, obviously, because I'm not a dentist. I have no idea what he's using or anything of that nature, but I will say that I left this part of the video in because I just wanted you guys to visually just kind of see what was going on. Some of the parts are not in focus. It was extremely difficult and extremely hard to film this because the lighting was extremely bright. I was trying to focus and just have the camera in focus. My mouth was numb. It was a lot going on for this part, but just try your best to just kind of visualize what's really going on, and just so that you kind of get an idea of like what exactly happens as far as the process of getting the teeth bonding done. So yeah, you guys just go ahead and chill out and watch this part, and then I'll be back when everything is pretty much done.
Or Instagram?
YouTube.
YouTube?
I cannot feel my mouth. Yay.
Everything's out. Open? Open? Okay.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Yay. I kind of got a little bit busy after my dentist appointment. I'm on. Hey guys. They can't hear you. Y'all see my teeth? Stay. You cute. Oh, whatever. Stop. I'm so happy because I went and got my teeth redone, but you guys already knew that. So to finalize what went on today, so I asked Dr. Tsai about, you know, apparently it's 3 different things. So I got it wrong in the beginning of the video because I told you guys that teeth bonding and then composite veneers slash permanent veneers were pretty much all the same thing. Obviously permanent veneers and then composite veneers are different, but I was kind of assuming that teeth bonding and composite veneers were the same, and they're actually not. They're actually slightly different. So teeth bonding, it's what fills in the space like in between your teeth. And then composite veneers are basically pretty much taking like the same concept, and instead of just filling in the spaces and creating a like realistic tooth, you are putting the composite over top of your original tooth to create an entirely new tooth. So I didn't necessarily get that because he said I didn't need composite veneers. What I've been getting this entire time has been just composites. So not veneers, just composites, because my teeth were fine. The only thing I didn't like about my teeth was just the fact that it kind of was like spacey. Like I had a few spaces like in my top row. I had a few spaces in my bottom row. So when I originally went to him and said, hey, like, you know, I've read about or heard about or watched videos about like teeth bonding, I know that they're composites, like I want to get it. That's why he said, you know, get the composites, like the regular composites, instead of the composite veneers, because I would be wasting my money on composite veneers because I didn't need it. But it still was pricey. Like I told you guys, the price that I paid the first time, and then the price that I paid this time was way cheaper, because he only had to fix like, oh my god, my teeth look so good on camera. I'm so happy. But he only had to fix like this front tooth, it had cracked, so that was like my main thing that I want him to fix. Also on this side, that had cracked as well. He didn't really have to do much to any of these on the side. And then he was actually very mad that I had got diamonds on my teeth. Like when you watch the vlog over, like he kept saying that over and over and over again, like, why did you get these diamonds on your teeth? Why did you get the diamonds on your teeth? Because when he had to go, like he has to like work around the diamonds to put the composites like back on my teeth. So he said it was a pain in the ass, but obviously he did it because they love me. But he said it's like really hard to try to get your teeth redone when you have diamonds on your teeth. Duh. But nonetheless, I am so freaking happy. My smile is white as hell right now. And then of course, like because I got my diamonds on my teeth, I'm just so happy. Like I'm just so freaking happy I got my teeth redone, because I've been wanting to get my teeth redone for like the past couple months now, once I cracked my front tooth. But nonetheless, I'm so satisfied. I'm so happy. I will leave Dr. Tsai and Hampton Square Dental's information down below for those that are interested. Also as well, I do have Delta Dental dentist insurance, so I will leave like the information of like my exact insurance down below as well. But yeah, I hope you guys really appreciated this Vlogmas today, because I know you guys have been fiending to know how I got my teeth done and how I got my insurance to cover pretty much 80% of me getting entire new teeth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and comment down below who definitely wants a new pair of teeth for Christmas, you know, period. But can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Too long that I keep my fire. I can't wait to hit a little night, and it pretty much